When doing any project or craft, it's important to have the right set of tools. So I thought it would be important to go over some of the tools that I use every day. In addition to the rubber mixing bowl that I use for casting crucibles and the strainer used for ballast filtering, my idex tenlog printer and ventilation system are almost equally as important for metal 3D printing. Occasionally, the steel coffee can will find its way in for lost PLA casting, and I can't overstate the importance of this rolly chair. An easy-to-use torch has also been very useful, as well as this ultrasonic cleaner when there's any sort of scale. Dr. Cool and I have also had our differences, but we've come to a pretty good working agreement now. Simple as it seems, these Tupperware bins have also been very useful. And a pair of leather gloves are a must-have. This skull reminds me not to be stupid around fire, and this fan keeps me cool when I am. As always, cheers.